Hello and welcome to DreamLadder Capital's Equity Market Update. Let's take a look at how global markets shaped up today. U.S. markets ended mixed as the Fed signaled a gradual approach to easing. The S&P 500 dipped 0.18%, the Dow slid 0.8%, but the Nasdaq gained 0.7%, led by tech stocks. Meanwhile, long-term Treasury yields spiked as worries over rising deficits pushed 10- and 30-year yields to new highs of 4.18% and 4.49%, respectively. European markets closed lower, with the Stoxx 600 down 0.7%, as investors await key earnings and monitor Middle East tensions. Insurance stocks were hit hardest, while oil and gas stocks rose slightly. Over in Asia, indices started lower, tracking Wall Street. Australia, South Korea, and Japan all saw losses, with China and Hong Kong remaining relatively flat. Brent crude dropped 0.5% to $73.90 a barrel, while gold held steady at $2,739.30 an ounce. In India, Nifty declined 0.29%, led by losses in Kotak Mahindra Bank and Infosys. However, gains in HDFC Bank and Reliance minimized the dip. Sensex lost 0.09% on weak earnings and sustained FII selling, marking the 16th consecutive session of outflows. Capital goods stocks were under pressure following subdued profit numbers from CG Power. Some key earnings to note: City Union Bank, profit up 1.42%, 285 crore, NPA improved. Bajaj Housing Finance, NI up 13% with revenues rising 26%. Union Bank of India, profit surged 34% despite a slight dip in NII. Shriram Finance has received RBI's nod to sell Shriram Housing stake to Warburg affiliate Mango Crest. Ola Electric has clarified its position in response to the show cause notice from the Central Consumer Protection Authority. The company confirms that 99.1% of the 10,644 complaints received from CCPA were resolved to complete customer satisfaction. Sterling and Wilson, Bahadur Dastoor resigned from the post of CFO. This could create short-term uncertainty among investors, possibly affecting sentiment and stock prices. Hyundai Motor India will debut on the stock exchanges today. The 7-heading 8870 crore IPO has been subscribed times on 2.37 final day. The bids were led by qualified institutional investors, 6.97 times, reserved for employees, 1.74 times, non-institutional investors, 0.6 times, and retail investors, 0.5 times. Lastly, the GIFT Nifty is trading 29 points higher from its previous close of 24,780.